Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new by Terry Hyaluronic Pressed Hydra Powder. This is the follow-up to their fantastic, amazing Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. They actually have it in a translucent form, which I've just got my hands on. I didn't get this one initially because I really loved the fact that they came out in darker shades. So I really wanted to try those. So I tried the 600 first, which is this one here. This is the deepest one that they have. It's pretty much my skin tone. It's perfect, I love it. I did a video on it, which I will link down below. Really wanted something to brighten under my eyes, so I got the 500 as well. They're both amazing. What I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be showing you a comparison between 500 and this. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I would love to have you in the Slapp family. So the new Hyaluronic Pressed Hydra Powder is £38 and 7.5 grams. In the US, it is $52 and 0.26 ounces. It is $52, which does seem quite a lot for a pressed translucent powder, but they do also have a travel size, which is 2.5 grams, so 5 grams less, and it is $20. So if you want to try it, perhaps that's a really good way of testing out whether you want to splurge. Pressed translucent setting powder contains hyaluronic acid, mattifying, non-drying, travel friendly, controls shine, blurs imperfections, clean, vegan formula. So it's pretty much ticks all the boxes there. It says load up the puff, tapping off any excess powder. Can be used for easy touch-ups throughout the day. Apply directly after primer to control shine or on top of makeup to set in place. So I really like the idea of this. I feel like this will be a really good powder for no makeup days, especially if you don't want any color, any pigment on your skin. You just want to look a bit more matte and a bit less glowy. It's really similar to the translucent powders. It's just a bit wider and obviously flatter as well. So I'm just going to use the poof because that's what it said to do. I'm actually going to just fold it in two, just so I can get under my eye. I wonder if it can swatch. It feels very creamy, but it doesn't feel as moisturizing as the other one. I don't know if that's just because it's pressed. It does look a little bit white-y grey, but it definitely looks matte. Before. And this is after. I definitely don't think it's completely colourless. It does look a bit white. What I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it a bit away and see if that makes any difference. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to use the by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder in the shade 500, which is the one I use pretty much every day. This is 500 and this is 600. This one is more expensive than the new pressed powder. This is $60 and it is £42. It's definitely more expensive than the Charlotte Tilbury, but I much prefer it. I feel like it does a really good job of brightening under my eyes, smoothing them, and still making it look hydrated and kind of indetectable. As you can see, it's just giving me a bit of darkness under the eye here, whereas this one isn't. It looks much more even. The forehead is still looking good though, looking pretty smooth. And I feel like the face is looking smooth and blurred. I feel like maybe this one's even more blurring, especially on the face. I just don't think I'd ever get through a translucent powder like this. I would recommend trying it, but in a small size. But if you're going to try anything, then I would just get the Hyaluronic Hydra-Powder loose powder. It's amazing, it's the best, it's my favorite, and I will link it down below because it's awesome and I love it. And this unfortunately hasn't snatched its crown, but if this comes out in a 500 or 600, I would definitely get it because I feel like that would be amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys found that helpful. I hope you found it useful. I think this is definitely blurring, mattifying, good for on the go, not for under your eyes. I'd get it in the travel size. Otherwise, I would just get the Hyaluronic Hydra Tinted Powder, Translucent Powder. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.